home, a love so deep where my heart has grown. Every whisper, every touch so true. I know I was meant for you. Through every sunrise, every falling star, no matter where, no matter how far, I'll hold your hand, I'll stand so near. With every heartbeat, I'll be here. Forever with you, through highs and lows, through every season, love only grows. You're the melody, my sweetest tune. I'll love you always under the moon. Your laughter's a song, a gentle embrace. You're my calm,